Nature, a place filled with everything, a place where everything coexists with one another. From the ocean to the desert and to the jungle, connected to each other in a beautiful way. Nature is the essence of things, what they are made of, and entail of their destiny. Packed with the essence of nature, Odyssey brings you the nature pack or the Cologne. Available in 3 variants to accompany your every adventure. Sound of the ocean. Sound of the desert. Sound of the jungle. Made from raw ingredients to capture all the essence of nature in the palm of your hand. Every natural ingredients are handpicked to ensure the quality of the natural scent. By using more natural ingredients, we aim to improve our contribution on saving the planet. Lasts up to 20 hours, which is 100% longer than the average eau de cologne. With our newest system, the 200ml bottle is now refillable with the Odyssey eau de cologne refill to help reduce waste. So, what are you waiting for? The new Odyssey Nature Pack eau de cologne is here to accompany your every adventure.